I have made a firm decision not to seek a fifth term. For the last 40 years, counting primaries, non-contested elections, runoffs, I have been on the ballot 25 times. In all but one instance, in 1987, I led the balloting and was successful in the runoff. As soon as the public had an opportunity to correct the error of '87, it did so by re-electing me for a fourth term.
By the time Governor Edwards' political career ended at the end of his fourth term as governor in 1996, he'd been in various political offices for over 40 years. His political career began around 1954 as a member of the Crowley City Council, a position he held for about 10 years before becoming a state senator. Less than 2 years in office, he then ran for the United States House of Representatives in a special election called after the current congressman was killed in a car accident. He completed the term and served 3 subsequent terms as a U.S. congressman before beginning his first term as governor in 1972. He served 2 consecutive terms as governor from 1972 to 1980. Precluded from a 3rd consecutive term, Dave Treen was elected governor and served from 80 to 84. In 1983, he defeated incumbent Governor Dave Treen and was elected to a historic 3rd term as governor. At the time, he had not lost an election. At the end of his 3rd term, however, he was defeated in the primary by Buddy Roemer and conceded the governorship to him, avoiding a runoff election. In 1991, in a second comeback attempt, he faced former white supremacist and grand wizard of the KKK, David Duke, in a runoff. The race drew national attention, and following rallies and protests, Edwards was elected to an historic 4th term as governor of Louisiana. In all, he was governor of Louisiana for 16 years, twice as many as any other Louisiana governor, and the 6th longest gubernatorial tenure in the United States.